What will happen to your body if you start eating an avocado? Number 9. Your blood pressure will become lower. Avocados are loaded with potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance and lower blood pressure. Studies show potassium-rich diets can reduce systolic blood pressure by 6 millimeters of mercury and diastolic blood pressure by 4 millimeters of mercury. So, add avocados to your menu for heart-healthy benefits. Number 8. Your breath will be fresh all the times. The primary cause of bad breath is indigestion and an upset stomach, but there will be no more of that once you make avocado part of your daily menu. This fruit has antibacterial and antioxidant flavonoids, which kill bacteria in your mouth and make your breath fresh. It's so effective that it may even prevent oral cancer. Scientists from Ohio State University conducted a study showing nutrients from Hass avocados can thwart oral cancer cells. It's just not only killing them, but also preventing precancerous cells from developing into full cancers. Toss out your breath freshener and replace it with a delicious avocado. Number 7. Your vision will improve. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from harmful blue light. These compounds also reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Number 6. You'll lose weight. Avocados are rich in fiber, which aids weight loss by keeping you full for longer. You can combine daily avocado consumption with exercise for even better results. Number 5. Your skin will start to glow. Avocados are packed with vitamin C that boosts collagen and elastin, vitamin E that reduces sun damage, and omega-9 fatty acids that moisturize and regenerate skin cells, resulting in glowing skin with reduced redness and irritations. Number 4. Your kidneys will work more efficiently. Avocados are rich in potassium, a miraculous mineral that helps maintain a healthy fluid balance through chemical channels for cells and organs. A good fluid balance improves kidney function, making avocados highly recommended for patients with kidney disease. But there's one exception. If you suffer from hyperkalemia or high serum potassium levels, you should avoid avocados as their high potassium content can be dangerous. If you are unsure about your potassium levels, consult your doctor before adding avocado in daily meals. Number 3. Your liver will function more efficiently. The liver thrives on antioxidants like glutathione, which avocados help your body produce. Additionally, vitamin C and E present in avocados neutralize free radicals, protecting your liver from damage. Avocados even contain vitamin K, which works with vitamin E to quell inflammation. This fruit truly supports your liver's health in multiple ways, making it an ideal choice for people with poor liver health. Number 2. Your cholesterol and triglyceride levels will decrease. High cholesterol and triglyceride levels are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. However, avocados come to the rescue. Studies show that eating avocados regularly lowers bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides by up to 22% while increasing good HDL cholesterol by up to 11%, making it one more reason to add avocados to your plate. Number 1. You'll have extra protection from cancer. The carotenoids and monounsaturated fats in avocados contribute to reducing the risk of cancers, including breast and prostate cancer. They promote apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancerous cells, offering an impressive layer of protection. That's all for today. Hope you liked this video. See you in the next one.